Have you ever improvised a repair, fashioned a homemade tool, or created a shop make-do? Then you'll appreciate today's shop hack.
Battery-powered tools have taken over shops and in many cases need a home of their own.
To organize his growing army of tools and their chargers, Jerry S. of Morris Bluff, Nebraska, fashioned this storage rack that anyone could build to suit their situation.
This particular shelf is a 4-foot length of 2x10 lumber, but it could certainly be made longer to suit your needs. It's recommended that the shelf be covered with metal sheeting, available at any hardware store, as a safety precaution as it holds the battery chargers.
The power tool holders are made from 4, 5, or 6-inch diameter PVC pipe. Generally, a 10-inch length of pipe is adequate to hold most tools.
Jerry cut a slot in the bottom of the storage pipes to hold the tool's handle. The width of that slot is determined by the width of the tool's handle. A slot is not needed to accommodate tools with horizontal handles, such as a grinder.
The PVC pipe is attached to the bottom of the shelf with wood screws.
There's more where this came from. Other farmer-inspired hacks like this can be found at agriculture.com/shophacks.
While you're there, vote for the battery-powered tool organizer from Jerry S. in the Shop Hacks contest.